Welcome back to Supernova 101. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage Supernova's SDK and CLI so you can customize exporters and automate code delivery across web, mobile, and desktop, all while saving time and avoiding errors. Exporters are a central part of Supernova's automation. They convert design elements into platform-specific code. With the Supernova's SDK, you can even create custom exporters that tailor design tokens or assets to fit your specific tech stack. For instance, you can create exporters that generate Swift code for iOS and CSS for web simultaneously, ensuring each platform gets code that meets its unique requirements. Supernova's SDK lets developers read and write design elements programmatically. With the SDK, you can build exporters to control how design assets like tokens are converted to code, perfect for multi-platform environments. Supernova's CLI enables you to automate exporters without UI interaction. This is ideal for CI/CD pipelines where you want code, documentation, and design assets in sync, saving valuable engineering time. Leveraging Supernova's SDK and CLI tools can transform your multi-platform development by automating design-to-code workflows, reducing errors, and saving time. Ready to start automating? Check out Supernova's developer documentation and build your customized pipelines today. Stay tuned for the next Supernova 101. Until then, happy designing!